My name is Brijesh Kumar. I'm heading Liqui Moly as a country sales manager for past 9 years. And about the Liqui Moly is founded in 1957 in Ulm, Germany. And we are based out of Ulm. And all the products are currently made in Germany and exported to 110 countries. And currently, Liqui Moly is a part of a Worth Group. For the aftermarket, it's not only India. From India, we have a lot of customer base who will be visiting. Plus, we have customers in the nearby countries like Nepal, Bangladesh, Bhutan, and Pakistan, and Sri Lanka. They are also visiting. So it's a usual event for us, which will cover the surrounding countries also. So it's very beneficial. In Automechanika ACMA 2024, we are displaying the full range of products that includes motor oils, additive, car care products, and special engine oils, Molygain, and a special tool for the DPF cleaning, because all major vehicles are now, cars are fitted with the DPF filter. So there is no solution in the market at the moment to clean these DPF. Our products are unique as all the products are especially made in Germany. So the customer gets the same quality what they are buying in Germany. So the same quality will be available for the Indian customers. So these products are in very high quality and premium quality, and performance is also better than the other competition products available in the market. Plus, we have the full range of the products. It's not only motor oils, additive, lubricants, car care, special tools, and special products for the two-wheelers that no competition is having. At the show, our existing customers who are using our products, that's mainly the German car workshops, retailers, distributors, dealers, and the OEM customers. So these are the main profile of the customers who are visiting.